What's up, everybody? It is Mr. Jenkins here at mgmclassiccars.com, Madison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing all of you this slick 1966 Ford Mustang. Looking all classy in that red paint with those white walls and wire wheel covers. Man, is this such a nice car to drive. It's got a 283 V8, or my bad, 289 cubic inch, rebuilt. Again, that's 289. Got your nice chrome valve covers. This engine was rebuilt at one time, so it drives really nicely, runs great. It was a factory AC car. It's not hooked up at the moment, but it is a factory AC car. Take a look here. Door jams. Got your nice pattern on the interior and the seats. Same with the back seat. There's your vents for the air conditioning. This is about one of the coolest colors I think a Mustang could come in personally. I love the color red. Goes great with the white walls. There's your Mustang wheel, steering wheel, your floor shifter. Door panels in good shape. All your trims there. Let's open the trunk to show all you the trunk. It's just a great car to get in, drive to car shows, drive it to work if you want to. Got your spare tire. Quarter panels. Overall, great example of a 66 Ford Mustang. Close it a little more right there. Close this hood for all of you. If you're interested in this car, you could visit our website, mgmclassiccars.com, see some photos of it. You could also call us at 847-848-1850. We are open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, and Saturday, 10 to 2, only by appointment. We have around 250 cars. This is just one of our warehouses that the car is located at. We offer great financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States. I hope to see all of you come out to MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois to check out this 1966 Ford Mustang or any of our other inventory. Remember to like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and have a great day. Thanks for watching, everyone. We appreciate it. Bye-bye.